Hello. When you're considering a water filter, of course, it's important to ask the question and get answers as to how you get this system installed. I'd like to talk to you about how to get an under-sink Multipure unit installed. There are 3 ways to do that. The first would be to do it yourself. You need to be either moderately handy and self-confident and able to read instructions. But if you don't want to do that yourself, you can hire a handyman or have a handy friend or family member do the job. That would be the second method. And the third method would be to hire a plumber, which I especially recommend if it's a complicated plumbing situation under your sink, or if this is a new house under construction, or a new kitchen, or a renovated kitchen, then I would have the plumber do the job. What I'd like to show you now is what's involved, what tools you need to do it yourself. First, you'll need a set of pliers. Any pliers will do. A set of wrenches, because there are 2 nuts that have to be tightened. You'll need both a half an inch and 1/4 inch drill bits. You start with a 1/4 and then enlarge the hole to a half an inch. And that's for the hole in the counter or the sink for the faucet. If there's an existing hole, such as a soap dispenser hole, you can take the soap dispenser out and use that hole. Even though it's larger than half an inch, it will work. For a stainless steel sink, you use a regular drill bit. For porcelain sink, you'll use carbide tip drill bits, easily available in the hardware store. And if you have a granite or marble or quartz counter, don't worry, you're not going to hurt it. You just go online and purchase a 1/2 inch diamond tip drill bit for about $25, and online it will give you instructions on how to drill the granite. This is a roll of Teflon tape so you can wrap the threads, and a drill. An electric drill would work, or a battery operated drill would be fine. If you have a Phillips head bit for that, that would also be a good thing to have. This only takes about 40 minutes. If you're handy, you can do this. If not, hire someone. Good luck.